Now that we've seen the theory behind market equilibrium, we can cover some exercises on the topic. Let's see how to answer questions on moving to the equilibrium and on unattainable equilibriums. Free and competitive markets may take some time to move to the equilibrium. Remember that when the price is too high, firms tend to lower it. They may not lower their price enough to reach the equilibrium. We call this undershooting. They may also lower their price too much and go below the equilibrium. We call this overshooting. It's difficult to know how long it takes for any market to reach the equilibrium. Most markets are likely to try many prices before they settle. Now, try to solve the following exam questions. Using the demand and supply schedule, draw the demand and supply curves of that market. Identify the price and quantity of equilibrium. Assume that the current price of the market is $2. Show a price change that displays undershooting. Starting again from the initial price, show a price change that displays overshooting. In both cases, calculate the surplus or shortage of production at that new price. For this, take the absolute value of the difference between quantity demanded and quantity supplied. You can pause the video now. The correct answer for 1 is the following. These are examples of correct answers for 2 and 3. Markets can also have unattainable equilibrium. In some markets, the costs of production are so high and the demand for the product is so low that demand and supply meet at a negative quantity. Since quantity cannot be negative, these markets simply produce zero. In other words, these are dead markets. Now, try to solve the following exam question. Using the demand and supply schedule, draw the demand and supply curves of that market. How much is bought and sold in this market? You can pause the video now. The answer is the following.